What's going on, guys? Super quick video, 3 updates with Tesla, the latest 3 pieces of news that you're gonna wanna pay close attention to. Also at the very end of this video, I'm gonna show you the charts and what I believe to be Tesla's next move. I'm still kind of bearish on Tesla as I do think we can come much lower. My last time I updated you all on this channel was I sold all my Tesla shares at 210 and then I kind of nibbled a little bit under 200. Very small amount though, and I am just kind of waiting right now because I do think we could touch lows of about 185 all the way down to 180. And on the chart, I'm going to explain why I think that is. But I do think we could rally a little bit up to about maybe 215. 215 in the short term. We could see after hours we're at 207 right now. So it looks like stocks liked the meeting today with the Fed. The Fed is pausing interest rate hikes, which is good news as of right now for stocks. November also, just so you know, history in November tends to be a very green month for stocks. So we could see a lot of green days for Tesla, for even companies like Palantir. You know, Palantir is not on the S&P 500 yet, but they should be very soon, and they have earnings tomorrow. We'll talk more about that tomorrow probably. Don't forget to drop a like, would always appreciate that, especially if you hold Tesla, like this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and let's get right into that news. This is probably one of the biggest pieces of news that a lot of people are talking about right now is the Cybertruck. People want this beast right here. You could see October 31st yesterday, this piece of news came out. Musk says Tesla aims to make 200,000 Cybertrucks a year. Now, this is more than what he said previously, especially on the earnings call. I think he said he wanted like 250,000 Cybertrucks by the end of 2025, so in a matter of 2 years. You can actually see below me, the company had earlier said that Tesla had the capacity to make more than 125,000 Cybertrucks annually, with Musk adding potential to fit 250,000 in 2025. So now they're saying they could do 200,000, which is bullish news. And with Elon Musk saying it, he'll probably get it done. I mean, he's only one of the richest people in the entire world, and he has the #1 car EV technology company that I think is going to be absolutely huge in our future when you think of robotics, when you think of EV vehicles, when you think of everything they're trying to accomplish. I mean, I don't think anyone will ever beat Tesla when it comes from an EV standpoint. Now, Ron Barron is a big investor in Tesla, and he says Tesla's valuation can hit 4 trillion, but SpaceX has a chance to be even bigger. Billionaire Investor has beaten the market by betting on Elon Musk. He lands on the Market Watch 50 list, and in this interview remains as bullish as ever, even with us being priced at 207 right now. So again, this is all bullish things for Tesla. Now, I like to trade Tesla. My goal is to increase my overall share count without putting more money into the stock out of pocket. It's just one of the techniques that I've learned over the years. Of course, if you want to learn anything about that with how we're trading Tesla, Palantir, also mullen stock. I'm also a little bit of DNA and LAZR. I'm thinking about getting into SoFi maybe very soon, and also maybe PayPal and other stocks that we talk about. Make sure you check out the links down below, the Patreon. You can get in for $7 a month right now. That gives you access to the charts, the news, the community, and you get access to our private Discord with over 140 active members. We'll see you in there. The third piece of news is Subaru follows Toyota in adopting Tesla's charging standard. And then below me, Subaru wants in on Tesla superchargers. On Wednesday, the Japanese automaker said its electric vehicles will adopt Tesla's charging port starting in 2025. So see what I'm saying? Tesla's gonna be the #1 company, I think, when it comes to vehicles, especially EV vehicles. So it's a safe bet, in my opinion. Now, you'll be able to trade it, but even buying at 205 right now, 207 and after hours, I think is a great price in the long term. When you're thinking 12 months out, 5 years out, great price in my opinion, not being financial advice at all. This is just my own opinion with the research and the charts that I look at every single day. So let's break this down real quick the easiest way I can with Tesla on the 4-hour time frame. Some positive things that I'm liking right now is the stochastic right now is curling up. You can see on the bottom right here, we have obviously crashed down. We have tanked. I'll just tell you, from our newest all-time high, I would say we're at 268. And we fell as low as 196, 195, let's say. That's down 27%. Now, Tesla, I've studied the charts. I've studied how it moves. Usually it crashes anywhere from 25 to about 40% before the next rally. Right now we're hanging around 30% negative. So right now is a good time, in my opinion, just looking at that. That's not even looking at technicals, just looking at history of how much it crashes. It's a good time to buy in. Also, the RSI is curling up right now. You can see this yellow line is actually coming down and we're starting to curl up, which is really good news. Now, I will be watching the Keltner channels very closely, especially on a daily time frame. I will be watching this yellow line right here. I do see that that could be a place to sell, and this is also hanging around where smart money is selling. The shaded red area right here is where smart money is actually selling, and the shaded blue, which you see way down there, is actually when they buy. So right now this is pointing at 213 all the way up to about 222. So again, I'm watching this. I might dump the little bit of shares that I bought under 200, but I might just hold. We'll see what happens. Don't forget to drop a like. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.